Hey there, it's Shannon from Curate. We're going to do a quick walkthrough of the events page and all of the different pieces that you can manage from this page. So we're going to start here at the top. Here's the stages of all of our events. So if I click here, I've got all of my events right here. Something that you can do, just want to point out, if you have multiple users on your account and you want to immediately refine to events that you own, you can click this button right here and it's going to pull just my events. So say how I went from 70 to 24. This is a shared account, and so we have my events or all events, and you can move through the stages appropriately there. If you want to just pull things that are in the proposal sent stage, you can quickly go through and look through those items. You want to see what is completed. You can move between the stages as needed. If you would like to change the stage without actually going into a proposal, you can do that here. I can, this one is actually completed. Let's actually we're going to move it back to booked for whatever reason. If you want to make those changes, you can change that stage here. It's super common to go from inquiry to booked from this page. Here, another quick thing, kind of a hidden thing that not a lot of people do is I can go through and I can click multiple events here. Say I want to change the stages of multiple events at the same time. If I click them, you'll see a little folder icon will pop up on the different stages. So these ones are all booked and I want to change them to completed. So I'm going to click that little folder icon and I'm going to change the 4 to completed. And it will automatically change those stages right over here, which is super easy. Another piece is the icons. So first one that we have is the pencil icon, and you can see it gives you like this little thing up here. It says edit the name of the event or the proposal. You can add tags, customers, and more. So if I click right here, I can change the event stage again within the event. I can change the customer that's associated with that event. I can add a second customer in here. If I put them here, I can also choose if they're a signatory or not on that event. I can change the name of the event, and then I can change the actual date of the event. You can also change the owner of the event. So say I'm no longer the one managing this event, but we're going to move it over to Jordan, so I can change him to the event owner. Then I can put tags right here. So on this event, we're going to say this is actually Shannon's event. So let's actually just change the owner back to Shannon. This is Shannon's event. I am the one that is actually managing this entire event, or also the one designing this event. So I'll click save. So those are things that you can do in the pencil icon. This icon right here is to archive. So if you just want to archive one event, so I can click right here to archive this event, it's going to remove it from this screen and move it down here into the archived events down here at the bottom. So you can always go back and check out those archived events. Something to note about archived events, if you did have a live link, that link is no longer available for your customer or anyone else to access that public link. They are not deleted, they're just held down there, so they're kind of off of your main screen. If I want to duplicate an event exactly, I want everything exactly as it was before, the only thing that I would change out is the customer. So I'm going to put Susanna on this one. I can change the name. I know we already have one called this, and then we can put a date on here. And if it will duplicate the tags, again, you can change that. If you do want to trash an event, you realize, okay, this is not an event, doesn't, for whatever, I was just practicing or playing or whatever, I can delete that event. It will make sure, it will say it's all going to be voided out, it's going to be archived, and it's going to be changed to lost. So that's done. So that's what you can do with all of those icons that are there. The next thing is tags. So you can see that I've got several tags associated with some events right here. Tags are a super handy way of seeing things about an event quickly. So I've got these marked with my name on them. You could do, say, delivery and pickup. That's a common one that I see. You can say who is the designer that is going to be the one that's doing the main designs for this wedding. You can do the venues. The options are limitless. So definitely check out a video on tags if you don't know how to use tags. So to show you how to use them on here, I can go in here and I can click Shannon and it will refine all of those events associated with the tags. Sometimes there are many events. If you are a heavy tag user, there are many. So kind of an unknown feature here is you can even further refine them. So if I refine it to this list, I can go here to click shower, and it will even refine that list even further to the one with the search function that has shower in it. So that's another handy thing with tags. Finally, the search function does work like normal, or what you would think. If I want to say, let's see, we're going to go for this Harry and Meghan. I want to look for the events that have their information right there. A lot of people will search by the customer name in order to find the event. Archiving, we already talked about if you want to hit this pencil icon on an individual one. However, if it is completed or lost and you want to archive multiple at the same time, I can select those and click Archive Selected, and I have archived those events, multiple all at the same time. Finally, almost finally, we have this little link icon right here. So if I click on this link icon, I can go here and it will take me into the workroom view. It's the same as if I hit the title of the event. If I click here, it'll take me to the latest version. If I go into the public link, that will take me into the public link of the proposal. So here, this does pull me in, there, and then for this one is the current public link. So if you need to send that over to a customer, you can copy that and send it over to a customer that way. Then from here, we would jump into the templates. So if you want to see what templates that you have available, all of those items are here. Finally, I'm going to switch over to our calendar view. You can see that up here. We have some people that will actually bookmark it. I've got a bookmark myself. So if I want to jump directly into Curate but go straight to the calendar view, I can just click on this bookmark up here. All of these items, you can show tasks, you can show timeline items. If they are booked, they will be filled in. So it looks like these items, this one, Jon Snow Wedding, is booked. So I've got that one in here. It pulls in all of the items that are associated with that event, like the timeline items and the tasks that are associated with that. Okay, I hope this walkthrough was helpful of the events tab in Curate, and showed you a few tips and tricks of ways that you can use it more efficiently. Have a great day.